What if you could turn any photo into a talking, lip-synced video, completely free, running on Google's own servers, and without installing a single thing on your computer? That is exactly what we are doing today. This tool is called SoulX FlashHead. It is an AI model that takes a portrait image and any audio file, and it generates a realistic talking head video where the face in the photo actually speaks the audio you give it, with accurate lip sync, natural head movement, and smooth animation. Let me walk you through exactly how to do that right now. Open any browser on your phone or computer. It does not matter which one: Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you have. In the search bar at the top, type Custom UDP. You will see the website appear in the results. The full address is udpcustom.online. Go ahead and tap or click on it. Once the website loads, look at the top of the page. You will see a navigation menu. Tap on the menu to open it. Inside the menu, you will find a section called AI Tools. This is a dedicated section on our website where we publish ready-to-use AI notebooks for different tasks, things like video generation, voice cloning, image tools, and more. Go ahead and tap on AI Tools to open it. Inside the AI Tools section, look for the tool named SoulX FlashHead, AI Talking Head Generator. Tap on it. This will open the notebook directly inside Google Colab. If you are not signed into your Google account, Colab will ask you to sign in first. Just use any Google account. It is completely free. Once the notebook opens in Colab, before you run anything, you need to make sure you have the right runtime selected. Go to the top of the page and click on Runtime. Then click on Change Runtime Type. In the window that appears, look for the Hardware Accelerator option. Change it to T4 GPU. This is a free GPU that Google gives you, and SoulX FlashHead needs it to run properly. Click Save. Now you are ready to start running the notebook. The notebook is organized into steps, and each step is one cell of code. You just run them one by one from the top. The first step checks your GPU. It will show you the name of the GPU that Colab assigned to you, confirm that CUDA is available, and verify that PyTorch is working. You should see a message that says PyTorch CUDA is working. If you do not see a GPU, go back and make sure you selected the T4 GPU in the runtime settings. The second step installs system-level tools, mainly FFmpeg, which is needed for video processing. It also clones the SoulX FlashHead repository from GitHub so that all the model files and code are available in your Colab session. This step takes about 1 minute. The third step installs all the Python libraries that the model needs, things like diffusers, transformers, Gradio, OpenCV, and others. This takes 2 to 3 minutes. Just let it run and do not close the tab. The fourth step downloads the actual AI models. There are 2 models: the main SoulX FlashHead model, which is about 1.3 billion parameters, and the Wave2Vec2 audio model from Facebook, which is used to extract features from your audio. Depending on your Colab connection, this download can take 4 to 6 minutes. The fifth step applies some patches to make everything compatible with the Colab environment. It replaces certain components that do not work well with Colab's version of MediaPipe, and it enables the output to display correctly. This step is automatic and runs in a few seconds. The sixth and final step launches the Gradio interface. Once it finishes loading, you will see a public link printed in the output. It looks something like the address followed by .gradio.live. Click on that link, and it will open the tool in a new tab. Now, let me explain what SoulX FlashHead actually does and how to use the Gradio interface. The tool has 2 modes, Lite and Pro. Lite mode is faster. It processes your video more quickly and works well for shorter clips and basic use cases. If you just want to test the tool or generate a quick result, use Lite mode. Pro mode is slower, but produces higher quality output. The lip sync is more accurate, the motion is smoother, and the overall result looks more realistic. For professional use, tutorials, presentations, or any content you want to publish, use Pro mode. To use the tool, you need 2 things. First, a portrait image. This should be a clear photo of a face, ideally looking straight at the camera, with good lighting and no heavy obstructions like sunglasses or a mask. The face should take up a reasonable portion of the frame. You can use a real photo or an AI-generated portrait. Second, an audio file. This can be any speech audio, a recorded voice, a text-to-speech output, a narration file, or even a clip of someone speaking. The model will read the audio and animate the face in the photo to match it. Once you have both files, upload them in the Gradio interface. Select your mode, Lite or Pro, and click the Generate button. The tool will process your input and produce a video. For a 20-second audio clip, Pro mode takes roughly 3 to 5 minutes on the T4 GPU. For Lite mode, it is significantly faster. When the video is ready, it will appear in the Output section of the Gradio interface. You can preview it directly in the browser and download it to your device. Let me now talk about what you can actually build with this tool. If you make YouTube videos and you want an AI avatar to present your content, you can generate a photo of a face using any AI image generator, record or synthesize the narration audio, and then use SoulX FlashHead to produce a lip-synced talking head video of that avatar. No camera needed. If you make educational content, you can use a real photo of yourself and add narration audio to produce a talking head segment without filming anything. Just provide the photo once and reuse it across multiple videos. If you work with WhatsApp or Telegram content, announcements, tutorials, short explainer clips, this tool gives you a fast way to produce a talking presenter without any recording setup. You can also use it for client presentations, product demos, explainer videos, or any situation where you need a human face delivering a message but do not want to appear on camera yourself. The audio can come from anywhere. You can record it with a microphone, generate it using an AI voice tool, or even use the output from a text-to-speech system. SoulX FlashHead does not care where the audio comes from. It just reads the audio signal and animates the face to match. A few things to keep in mind before you use this tool. First, the Colab session is temporary. Once you disconnect or the session times out, you will need to run the notebook again from the beginning next time. The installation and model download steps will need to be repeated each time you start a new session. This is the nature of free Colab. Nothing is permanently stored. Second, make sure your audio file is clean. Background noise, music behind the voice, or very low volume audio can affect the quality of the lip sync. A clean, clear voice recording gives the best results. Third, the portrait image quality matters. A blurry photo, a very small image, or a face that is turned at a sharp angle may not produce the best output. A clear, front-facing photo at a reasonable resolution works best. Fourth, please use this tool responsibly. Do not use it to generate content involving people who have not given their consent. Use it for your own avatars, your own creative projects, and your own content. That is everything you need to know to get started with SoulX FlashHead, completely free, directly from our website. Go to Custom UDP, open the AI Tools section, tap on SoulX FlashHead, and follow the steps inside the notebook exactly as I showed you. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the 12.5 Tech YouTube channel so you do not miss the next AI tool we publish. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below, where we share updates, new tools, and tutorials as soon as they go live. I will see you in the next one.